it can cost a lot of money to do variations for your product, whether that's size variations or color variations, whatever it may be. It can end up costing you a fortune to do that. And what you really want to find out as quickly as possible is which variations will sell the most, and then you focus on those, and which don't really sell at all, and you kind of drop those off. But how do you find that information out ahead of time? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if you like this kind of content where we are teaching you how to make money online, whether that's in your own Amazon business or eBay, or Etsy, Shopify, whatever it may be, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. We post new content every single day, all about helping you make money online. Until then, let's get into it. Boom.
Okay, so a friend of mine today showed me something really cool using my favorite tool, which is helium-10 X-ray. And I've just got a little presentation here. So let's say someone wanted to sell some sheets as their first product, like these beautiful bamboo sheets here. But if they're starting out, they possibly wouldn't be able to have all of these colours. So if you run helium-10 over this product now, and I'll just show you with X-ray. And this is not just helium, it's all Jungle Scout and the like. All of it, when you have a parent and child listing, when there's multiple colours or sizes and that sort of thing, it comes up all the same. So the sales say 45,436. Okay, and that's because it's done from the BSR, and these revenue figures are a little bit different because the prices are different. So it's that sales by that price there, etc. So if you wanted to sell sheets and you had a limited budget, how would you know which sheets are the most popular? How would you? Well,
Tell us.
Bradley Sutton from Helium has a solution, and it's not perfect, but it gives you a good idea. So I'm going to show you how to get an idea. So what we do is we're going to click on this, and then we're going to go into Review Insights. Click on that. All right, I've got a month there, and let's get these reviews up.
So that's going and scraping all the different reviews on that particular listing now, yeah?
Yeah, it's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah, very, very cool.
You get lots of information from this software. Okay, now this is telling us there is the queen size, the color grey has got 150 reviews, or 34% of the share. And then king grey has 73, or 16. So I can guess that grey, king and queen has got 40% of the sales based on reviews. Now, it's not exact, but it gives you a good idea. So if you want to start selling bamboo sheets, I'd probably start with queen, king, grey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that. That's a super cool. That's a very, very simple and very, very intuitive strategy to give you that information. And you're right, Kathy. Like when you're looking to start selling something, if you're selling something that has variations, you just want to know what's going to sell best. You just want to know what's going to sell the best. That's a really great way of discovering that.
You don't want to have purple with no. You don't want to have your limited ASINs filled up with purple sheets that aren't selling, something like that. So yeah, it can help you a lot. It's great. Yes, I'm very grateful for my friend to show me that. That's a very handy tool.
That's a
Thank
very
you.
handy tool. And how does somebody get what's the dealio with Helium 10? What's that you're using now?
So I've got the full suite,
Is there
but
is
this,
there a cheapo version? What we can kind of tell people to go get?
yeah, yeah. So the cheap version, I'll go back to the bed. So if you look at this little Chrome extension here, that's called X-Ray, and you can buy this. That'll give you um, the sales, the price, sizes, and all that for. I think it's I think they had a Prime deal for $15 a month US or 17.
Yeah,
The
something
other
like that.
great,
It's dead cheap.
yeah. But even this too, I absolutely adore this at the moment. Is the profitability calculator,
Mm.
because we all got to know our numbers, don't we? So Amazon will give us one. This one, pretty limited, not a lot of information there. But if you click on this, and another tip today, please change the freight cost to $4.50.
Mm-hmm.
It's more realistic. So this tells us the size of this product, the weight, the price they're selling for. You can change it. So if I want to put it up, what's my margins and everything going to be? The estimated manufacturing costs. So you can jump onto Alibaba or ask your supplier, and then it's got all your fees, your pick and pack, your shipping. These are estimates, of course. These are pretty close. And then it has January to September. And then we all know that Q4 is when it gets a little bit more expensive.
Yeah.
But looking at this product with profit per sale of $31, margin at 48%, and a return on investment of 188, that is very nice indeed.
I'll take that any day. Holy crap, that's
Yes.
great.
So this is wonderful. You can play with it. So let's say the price has gone up. You can save $15 and see the effect. You can add in, okay, I'm going to spend 10% on PPC, still making $23 profit. It's just, oh, I just love this tool.
Yeah, that's
So
super quick and super easy. That's all in US dollars, yeah?
yes, yep. But I use this for Australia and just get a similar item on the US, and then just because you can change all these figures. Another tip is you can see the effect if this was oversized, if you just, change the sizing a little bit, what increase in profit it could do.
Mm-hmm.
Really.
Anybody doing my sourcing mastery course will learn a whole lot more about that in week number 4. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A, which I do with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie online entrepreneurs, click on the link below and we'll take you there, or just go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.